Hi, I'm Vito from the Dorrance, and today we're going to be making you our mint Irish coffee, which is very easy for you guys to do at home too. We're going to start with Powers Signature Irish Whiskey. We'll do 1.5 ounces of that, and we're just going to make this drink right in the glass too. And we're going to add just a 1/2 ounce of mint liqueur. Top that off with some steaming hot coffee. Going to put a little bit of heavy cream in a shaker. If you'd like to, you can also add a little bit of mint to the cream. And then just do a dry shake, or you can whip this up at home too with just with a spoon if you like. And then we're just going to layer this right on top here. Put a little mint leaf right on there. There you go. The Dorrance Mint Irish Coffee.